how to invest in S&P 500 stocks on Wealthsimple. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to invest in S&P 500 stocks. So in that case, you have to first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Wealthsimple account. In my case, I'm using a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Go ahead and tap on the search bar and type in S&P. When you do that, you can locate the S&P that is available. Accordingly, you can go ahead and select any one of it. In my case, I'm going to go with Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. When you select that, it's going to take you to the other field where you can go ahead and select the trade button. As you click the trade button now, and from here onwards, you can go ahead and invest in S&P 500 stocks on Wealthsimple. So that's basically how you can invest in S&P 500 stocks on Wealthsimple. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.